Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute, a long minute. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys easy SFX makeup looks that anybody can do. It's super affordable. If you want to learn how to do SFX yourself at home, keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off by teaching you guys the basic SFX cut. So you're going to need liquid latex, toilet paper, scissors. So before we get into the liquid latex, what I like to do is take the toilet paper and tear the sheets and just rip it into the not like that, just like that. So I went ahead and I ripped all my little toilet papers. Okay, so apply the latex like that and quickly apply the toilet paper. Let it sit for a little bit and then you can tear off the edges that are not sticking to the latex. And it's gonna look like that. The Q-tip into more latex and lay it down on top of that. And make sure when you're doing the second layer of latex, you lay the latex on the edges so it smooths down the toilet paper, so that way the toilet paper isn't sticking up all over the place. So that's my second layer. Okay, so now I have 2 layers of toilet paper on and I'm laying down my third layer of liquid latex. My eye's burning. The liquid latex does have a very strong smell to it. It may make your eyes water, and it's gonna look something like this. And you want to make sure that it is completely dry before you apply your foundation and everything, because the liquid latex can definitely ruin your makeup brushes. Now I'm going to take my foundation and go over the top of the liquid latex to kind of blend it in with my skin. You're going to take a powder and lay that on top up there. Now for this next part, you have to be super duper careful. I'm just going to take these tweezers and poke a hole in it where I want the cut to start. I'm just going to go through it. Oh my gosh, the tweezers are in my skin. Now I'm going to take the scissors and cut right through it. Now the scissors stuck in my face. And just cut through. Cut through. Come on, cut, cut, cut. Boom. Alrighty, so the cut is now done, as you guys can see. Now we're gonna work on the details. So I'm gonna be taking this red and dark brown shade to make the cut look a little bruised up. Just like that. Now I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild paint palette. I'm gonna be taking this dark red shade. Open the cut and place that in there. And of course it already looks like a cut just like that. But if you do want to be a little more extra, add a little more creepiness to it, you can take some blood. This is the Cinema Secrets blood. And you're just going to place that in there as well. Ew. And I'm going to take the sponge, place the blood on it, and make her bloody. There you have your cut. So for this next FX look, I'm going to show you guys how to do a burn look. And you're going to need the liquid latex again and cotton balls. You're just going to take the liquid latex wherever you want the burn to be. That's where you're going to start applying the cotton. Make it look like bumpy and rough skin. And this is just so quick and easy to do, honestly, because it does not need to look perfect. And I just keep picking up more liquid latex and laying down more cotton. Wherever it sticks and the extras, just peel it right off. And you just keep repeating these steps. Just like with the cut, we're gonna wait till it dries, apply the foundation and the powder. Now we're gonna go in with the details for this one. So first, I'm gonna take that same face paint from the Wet n Wild palette. Take that red and black shade. And just keep filling it in as much as you want. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply that same blood all over. I feel like this little sponge just makes a huge difference. It's so crazy. Alrighty, you guys, and there you have the burnt skin. So now I am looking crazy. We are moving on to the third look. I'm going to be showing you guys the gunshot wound. You're gonna fold it and fold it. You're gonna cut the inner corner and it's gonna leave you a little circle. Then you're gonna cut around it to make it kind of look like a donut. Concentrating so hard right now, you guys. And there's your little donut. And now you can create the gunshot wound. I'm gonna apply it. So once it's on, go ahead and take more liquid latex over the top. And you're just gonna wanna lay it down so that the cotton pad kind of blends in with the latex and it blends in with your skin. So I went ahead and added the foundation and powder already. In the middle, kind of stretch it out. That way you'll have the hole. Now I'm taking that same face paint and I'm taking the same eyeshadows, the red and the brown, and going around it. And of course, just like the other looks, we're gonna add blood and maybe even have some blood dripping down my face. Take that little sponge and make it bloody. Vampire blood, it's from Walmart. The latex is from Walmart. Y'all do not have to spend an arm and a leg. And there you have the gunshot wound. Okay guys, and there is all three step by step done. It does not take long at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me on my other social medias. They will be listed down below. Thank you guys for always supporting me. I am so grateful. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I think that's too big. Ooh. Excuse me. I can't talk. Why is this so hard?